Check out this cool box we just got, man. Shout out to Exotic 710. This thing is dope. The art on it's insane, even on the back of it. Oh, I popped the top a little bit, watch out. The art's insane, man. We're gonna open this real quick, check it out. Good morning. Shout out to everybody for watching. I also got this dope hoodie from Moments, cool as hell. Big thank you, again, Exotic 710. Not a sponsored video, but they gave us some free stuff and we're super stoked on that, so big thumbs up. We're gonna check it out, see what's in the box. I think there's some flour in there, not 100% sure. You know we're gonna be cooking some food. So if you're hungry, grab some snacks, because we're about to eat. Eggs and sausage, gotta make some breakfast for Jana. I'm gonna eat a little bit so I can take some medicine. Let's get this going, and then you know we're gonna jump into the Exotic 710 box. I'm super stoked to see what's in there. I think there's some flour and maybe some like more merch or something like that, but we're gonna have to dive in and find out. Stick around for the end of the video. We're gonna smoke some of it and let you know what we think. Appreciate you for vibing. Cheers. I hate these little things right here, how they cut or they seal the package. It's like the worst. It's the hardest thing to cut off. Just let me in. Just let me in, bro. Sausage. Raw butter smells insane. Literally smells like cheese. Get some eggs cracked. I broke that one. Shit. It don't have to be perfect around here. Well, I can't really see the salt well, so I put it in my hand so I can feel it. Bubble, 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 bubble. Little dippy. Turn that down. Sausage going. Not pretty, but it's delicious.
Yum, that looks perfect.
Go. Breakfast time. Let's go, let's go. I'm super excited to open this Exotic 710. Came through, man, came through. Special delivery is what I'm calling this. We're gonna open this. I don't know what's inside, so I'm gonna find out with you guys right here, right now. If there is some product in here, like some flour or some dabs, we will try it towards the end of the video. You know, YouTube age restriction, they be on our ass, all right? Probably had to bleep that out because they're on us, all right? They're on us. So let's check out what's in here. Doesn't smell like food, so I don't think this is a box of cereal, but there are probably some turps in here. Biggest thing in here, ooh. Oh, this is nice. Hold on a second. There's something else in there. But this is a nice piece of merch right here. It looks like we got a shirt going on in here. Let's open this bad boy up and see. You know I'm already rocking the hoodie, and the hoodie is of the highest quality. It's a Champion hoodie, as you can see right here. And it's cozy, all right? I'm feeling nice and warm. It's a little cold out here in this little smoke shed that I got. I'm freezing, all right? But I'm feeling all right, because I got a nice hoodie on. It's a heavy-duty one. Exotic 710, keep them their homies warm over here. How do I open this thing? I'm trying to feel. I can't see it. There it is. Can't see it, gotta feel it, all right? Ooh, even the shirt's heavy-duty, too. Yo, this is a nice-ass shirt. Check it out. High-quality merch, man. Like, I'm talking the print's nice, the designs are nice, but like the material, this is a good shirt, bro. This is a good shirt. Let's see what else is in this box. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Looks like there is, 3 different Exotic 710 pins, which is always super dope. Gotta love that. Little collectibles, all right? Little collectibles. The goodies right here, baby. The goodies. What do we got? Exotic 710 Micro Batch Z. Ooh, grown by Turb Hogs. Yo, that's fire. All right. We're definitely gonna have to bust one of these open and smoke. Oh my lord. Hold on. I'm gonna smell one real quick. Hold on. Let me just smell one, and then we'll dive in. All right. And then we'll dive. Let me get a little. Got it. You know who's jealous right now? Josefo. Josefo loves the Z-Terps. I know Josefo watching this like, come on, Tim, bring those Z-Terps over here, baby. Wow. Okay, we're gonna have to try it. We're gonna try it. Let's continue to vlog. We're gonna try this stuff. At the end of the vlog, we will be smoking this. So I'm gonna give you a full review on what I think about it. Let's continue today. Fuck. Exotic 710. You guys got some heat, baby. Terp hogs, man. I see y'all. I see y'all. Little UFC vibes. Let's go. I threw the patch back on because I was getting a little bit of a headache. So we're patched up for the UFC fight. I'm going to roll up some of this micro batch Z from Exotic 710. I think I'm going to roll a joint. What do you think? Yeah, buddy, the micro batch Z. Let's roll it up. Official. It's official, baby. The Z terps, baby, they're going crazy. I want to live in this bag. Oh, man. You know, I don't got the best vision, but damn, this stuff looks good. All right, papers have been secured. Boom. Let's smoke. Shit, I dropped the lighter. Had to throw on the hoodie because it's freezing. It's not freezing. I always say it's freezing, but it's reality. It's like 55, 60 degrees. It's not that cold. Let's light this up. It smells insane. One of my favorite things to do before I light up is the dry pool, because you can really just taste the flavor on it. It's absolutely just dripping in like the fruit candy terps. Time to set this thing on fire. You guys burn this extra piece of paper off? I don't like to inhale it. I think it tastes like garbage if you just try to like light it up like that. Burn this little, you see that little piece? That piece has got to go bye-byes. And then you can light it. How do you light your joints? Hopefully a little smoother than me. Oh fuck, I got like half of it lit. Hold on, I gotta put you down. Hold on. Can't ruin the fucking Z joint. No, the terps. Hold on, I gotta focus. I need one of those like torch lighters to light joints and blunts and stuff. I think those are the vibe. If you guys got a good recommendation for one of those, I would love to see it. There we go. Wow. The flavor is insane on that. So this is Micro Batch Z by Exotics 710, grown by Terp Hogs. Is I'm pretty positive that's what I was told. Some small batch fire. Question for everybody. Kind of what I want to discuss while I smoke this joint. What does everybody think about the crazy, over-the-top cannabis packaging that we've been seeing the last like year, maybe 2-3 years? Mainly the last few months, it's been getting fucking crazy over the top, and I think it's amazing. I love brands being able to express themselves with the packaging, and I think it's cool. They're telling stories with it. Like the drops are super unique. The art's fucking banging. Like it's very fun. Even like this cereal box from Exotics, like it's fun, you know? Like I'm keeping that. Like I'm not gonna throw it away. Like I'm gonna keep that. It's super unique. What does everybody else think about it? Is it too much? Is it over the top? Do you not care about the packaging? You just want good smoke? God damn, that's so tasty. Dun dun dun. What's up, dude?
We have an ash check right here. Looks pretty damn white to me. Jesus. I posted a pic on Twitter too. We'll pull it up right here a little better.
But I love the packaging stuff, man. I think it's really cool. Brands, if you're watching, keep doing the cool packaging. Keep telling cool stories while you're doing drops. It's fun. It's an experience, you know? It makes it more than just buying a bag of weed. Because at the end of the day, there's a lot of good weed out there. But to make it a fun experience alongside with getting great weed, that, I appreciate that. So thank you to the creative minds out there behind the packaging, the people thinking about all like the unique drops with their strains. Kudos to you guys. Major love to you guys. Cheers. This stuff is smoking. It tastes delicious. Taste-wise on this, it's like an 8 out of 10. It's tasty. I love when I record a whole clip and I have zoomed in on the previous clip, so then now you just got my face like right here, and it's just a clip like, what are we watching? So shout out to the zoomed in clip right there. LOL. If you saw the zoomed in fucking clip, drop a comment, man. What the hell? Again, this is like an 8 out of 10, non-zoomed in, all up in my nose. This stuff is smoking, it's delicious. Big shout out to everybody that is doing big things with the branding, the packaging, the storytelling. It's super appreciated. Cheers to you guys. Major, major love. The Z, I feel like I have a yummy taste in my mouth right now. It's delicious. But what we're gonna do right now, we need to make some food. We're going lazy mode, okay? Super lazy mode. Pasta, easy. We're doing bison, so it's already ground up, ground bison. It was on sale, boom, we got an extra pound of it here. We're gonna do some pasta noodles. They're wheat because I like the wheat noodles better, make my stomach feel a little better. Doesn't matter though, because this is about to wreck my stomach anyways. The white sauce, Jada really wanted a white sauce in here. Alfredo Arabita? Yeah, someone roast me for that. I don't know how the hell you say that, but someone roast me for it. Let's make it. I'll show you guys in a second. It's gonna be yummy. It's gonna be simple. It's super easy. You can do it. If you don't want to go have McDonald's or Taco Bell, you can make this. It's super affordable. I got you. I'm gonna show you. The weed's making my nose so itchy too. First thing we're gonna need is a pot and get some water boiling. So let's do that. Help the water boil a little faster. You're gonna put a little bit of salt in there. Hopefully I don't put too much. It will help boil it a little faster, so you can also put a cover on it if you would like to, but it's already starting to rock. Now, while we're waiting for that to get boiling, we are going to throw on our cast iron the ground bison, baby. Bam, 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 bam. Durham Ranch. Let's do it. Diaper change going on. Food getting cooked. Come on. Are you watching a family channel? Who knows? For basic, seasoning salt, chili powder, Italian seasoning, which is just basically like oregano and what's the other one? Parsley, I think. And then black pepper. Might need a new one of those. Let's get those in there. Ground beef. I keep saying ground beef. The bison is simmering. I put a little bit of butter in there too because it is a little bit more lean, but it is basically just rocking out, tastes delicious. I put a little bit more of the seasonings on there. We're boiling over here. We're rocking and rolling. Keep stirring it. Don't stop stirring. Don't let those pasta noodles get stuck together. We'll mix everything together and throw some pasta sauce on this bad boy and have ourselves a little meal. Time to strain the water out of the pasta noodles, and then we'll mix everything together. Be careful here. Do not burn yourself. Also, don't spill. Boom, boom. I'm just combining everything into the one big pot. We're going sauce, we're going meat. We're gonna put it all into a dish, whatever's left over after we eat tonight, and then we'll have some for tomorrow as well. Oh, we're getting creamy in here. Creamy. Pasta's ready, baby's crying. Come on. This is a victory. Little baby was trying a banana. Little Nana baby. Sometimes it's alright to just keep dinner simple, alright? Don't try to overcomplicate things, man. A little Alfredo pasta with some meat in there. Chilling with some meat in there, you know what I mean? Get you one of those if you... Hey, slow down, slow down. Eat pasta, okay? Eat pasta. Appreciate you guys for hanging out, man. Maybe I'll take a bong rip at the very end of this video. Who knows? Maybe this is the end and this is where you like and subscribe. We'll find out.